making rainbow arts.
Today we are drawing something very awesome. Can you guess it? What it is? It's huge, lives in the ocean, and loves to make big splashes. Any ideas?
It's a whale.
The tail has been done, now we are drawing its body. Now let's make him smile.
Guys, please do subscribe.
Now add some fins.
They look like little wings.
Time to give our whale an eye.
Let's draw some little fish. Let's draw the fish here also. Let's draw some duck and plant. Now is coloring time. Dark blue color. We are starting with tail. Now let's color its body. Color yellow. Now let's color stripes and the little fish. Color red. Light green color. Orange color. Color dark pink. Black color. Guys, it has been 2 years since we started our channel. Till we don't have 3K subscribers. Please support us by watching our video till the end. Color dark green. Color brown. color light blue. Now let's color the water. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.